sorry, I have a bug annoying me here, how to better use our AppSec scanners. And now Razenkut will share with us a case study that they had about application security cost effectiveness. Tanya, are you ready?
I am, absolutely. Are you going to give me...
Yeah, so 1 second before you start, just to get people to know you a bit better. So Tanya Janca, if you are not familiar with, she is also known as the Shiak Purple. Maybe you heard that name instead. Is the best-selling author of Alice and Bob Learn Application Security. If you haven't booked it on Amazon, you should. She is also the founder of We Act Purple, an online learning academy, community, podcast, and training company that revolves around teaching everyone to create secure software. Tanya has been coding and working in IT for over 25 years, won countless awards, and has been anywhere and everywhere from public services to tech giants, writing software, leading communities, founding companies, and